Welcome back to 13 News this morning. We're joined by Mrs. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are making something fantastic from the new recipe book, and it's called Turkey and Tofu Chili, right?
It is.
How do we get started?
All right, and the secret ingredient that we talked about?
It's tofu.
It's tofu in all the recipes we're doing today. Well, you can smell this. I have one onion that I chopped. I have let me see, can we see
I know, it
see
smells
that?
good.
It does smell good.
Bell pepper, and I did orange so that you could see it better. A little bit of garlic. Saute that with 1 pound of ground turkey. So that's ready. So now we're going to add our other ingredients. This is diced tomatoes.
Okay.
You add that. And I was thinking when Jared picked this recipe, you know, we do get some cool days during the summer.
Sure.
Or you might want to tuck this away to be sure to have it this fall for a chili
it's cold
recipe.
in my house. I can eat it.
Yeah, there you go.
Great. Okay, and you are going to add some tomato paste. You will need that. And then you add the tomato juice. So we have
Okay.
tomato paste and tomato juice that we're adding to this. And then we're
You're
going to
taking
start.
my whole life.
I want to make sure.
Good job there. All right. And I'll keep stirring this. Very good. And then you have some edamame that you're going to add. You are going, well, you keep that till the
I am.
end. Yep. And then you have Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.
You can add 2 cups of soy milk.
I love soy milk.
It's
Me
kind
too.
of an interesting ingredient here for, and I'm going to turn, do you see that dial there?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, turn it back up so we can get this heating it up. I kind of turned it down there just a little bit. You have, what did I tell you that I
it
had?
cumin?
Yes, you have the, no, you have the powdered chili powder.
Oh, yeah, that's what that is.
Okay, chili powder. And then Raina has paprika. Yeah, paprika. There you have that. And that is just a little bit of cayenne pepper. How much do you like?
Well, lots.
Okay, put that in. You put yours in. You've got the cumin. There, did we already say that?
There you go.
And you're going to add the garbanzo beans or the chickpeas there. And do we see any other ingredients except the tofu?
We got cheese.
Oh, that's going to be a garnish at the top.
Got it.
Okay, so
And we're
now
good.
we just want to heat all this up until it's bubbling. And then right at the end, but we'll go ahead and add it, we have our tofu. And I've just cut it up very good into cubes. There we go. And then when you serve it in bowls, like we have over here,
Yes.
this is pepper jack cheese that you put on
Oh,
the
I
top
love
of it.
pepper jack.
So
Like
that's
it.
going to be just a little bit of inning. Can I? Well, can't really see that
We
very
gotta get
good.
some
can
of
we?
this covered here because we've got a tofu takes on.
She wants to see what, she wants to show everyone what it looks like.
I know what she's doing, but we gotta get it covered up.
There we go.
That-
That's-
yeah,
that's
is that
it.
better so that everybody can see that?
Yeah.
There you
A
go.
hearty soup that you'll have. Jared picked it. And the Soy Food Guide is 35 pages.
Right here.
So of great recipes. We're going to do a dessert at noon today from the book.
We are.
So everybody should call in and make sure they get the Soy Foods Guide.
They should. Also, be sure and let people know how they always can get any of the recipes.
Yes, go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail you all the recipes for July.
All right. Thank you so much. Well, stay with us because we're back right after this.